do you think is better? School study or self-study? Yes? Raise your hand who supports self-study. Raise your hand who supports school study. That's interesting. We have mixed points here. So let's see what our participants have to say and how they defend their viewpoints. Now, we are going to begin with our debate competition on the topic school versus self-study. And every voice holds power. When expressed with confidence, it can change perspectives. Because debate is not only about proving someone right or wrong, but about expressing thoughts with confidence and respect. So, let's revise our debate rules. You can't show your finger, you can't use offensive words, you can't speak continuously, and winner will be chosen as per the team performance, not individual performances. So, give them a big round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, one and all, respected Sam sir, honorable judges, and my worthy opponents. My name is Tabassum Ansari. I would like to wish all the best. Today I am in favor of self-study. Self-study is the key of success. When you start your journey of education, it is depend on students' own efforts, not by force. And with the help of self-study, we can build more confidence, self-defense, independent, and more successful in our life.
Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to one and all present here. My name is Khan Araina Farzan, and today I am speaking in favor of school study and against the idea that self-study is enough. Self-study is very important. I agree, but even every student should do it. Even I do, but without teachers' guidance, self-study is useless. So I would like to ask. Let me complete. Okay. So I would like to ask that if you get stuck or depressed, then who motivates you daily in self-study?
First of all, very delightful evening to one and all. And this is Arsha here, and I am in the favor of self-study. As my opponent said, sir, who will motivate you in self-study? So when a student get target fixed, he has to do a self-study. So the motivation comes by themselves, not by other selves. And why we depend on others for getting motivation?
But even, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and a very good evening to one and all present here. My name is Tahura Azim Qadri, and even a best motivated person also get distracted by his family member sitting in the other room or talking, and even in a mobile's notification. But school have a complete better environment where everyone is focused.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sheikh Risha. You said distraction is everywhere. You know, in classroom you have a friend, what distract you? It is not mean you not distract in class and in studies. Own.
But teacher is there to aware you, to shout on you, because she has the responsibility. She has that courage to tell everyone that please shut your mouth because I am giving lecture. So it is so. Distraction is everywhere. You are right. But in school, teacher can shout at the students. Teacher can aware us. But at home, who awares you?
In school, good evening everyone. This is Khadija. In school study, when student is absent, so teacher said, if you ask 1,000 times, I will explain to you 1,000 times. That's why this is the best way in school study. Good evening everyone, this is Kulsum, and as my opponent said that if the school student is absent and teacher clear that student doubt. Teacher clear that student doubt, but teacher don't explain it in deep like she explained before.
Good evening everyone, I am Sheikh Fatma Shahnwaz Alam and I am in the favor of school study. if school study built success, then why does every competitive exam have teachers, coaching, or classes? Give me your answer.
That if school is enough, why the aspirants, why the UPSC aspirants, why the NEET aspirants do going to coaching classes? Why? If school is enough. Okay, I have one question. Just tell me, in our human history, which come first, the self-study or the school study?
Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone and a warm good morning to one and all present here. This is Zunaira Shah and I am in the favor of school studies. Okay, as you said, you are right. Everyone needs self-study first because in the olden days there are no schools. But as they come mature, as the century begins, then they become so much mature. Okay, I agree with your answer. Yes, I agree with your answer. Then, wait. Okay, I agree with your answer. Now, please, you give me the answer of my question. As I am telling you that school doesn't teach you just a specific subject. It teaches you how to sit with 40 different mindset for 6 hours without fighting. So, what about that?
Okay, as my opponent said, but in the same class, same teacher and the same subject, there are 40 students in the class. The students' minds are different. Some have the IQ level very low. Then teacher can clear all mindsets.
Online classes become very famous in COVID. So why everyone wanted schools to be reopened? If self-study is enough and it is better, then parents would have said that school should be closed forever. Yes?
Okay, you are right. But in COVID also, for 2 years the school was closed. But the learning stopped. No. But self-study remain. But the self-study remain in their students' heart. They did self-study. That's why they clear in COVID also exam.
ऑडियंस अच्छा लगा तो तालियां बजाओ प्लीज. बहुत मेहनत करे बच्ची लोग. ताहुरा कंटिन्यू.
And each speaker brought confidence, clarity, and unique perspective to the stage. Now it's up to our judges to choose who convinced them the most.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful performance. Yes or no? Yes or no? 2 years ago, the street of Mumra in Mumbai witnessed an extraordinary sight. A young woman in the middle of busy roads guiding traffic late into the night during the holy month of Ramzan. This was not a scene from a movie but real life story of Marzia Shanu Padhan madam, who along with her friends sometimes managed traffic until 2 a.m. Their aim was simple but powerful: to keep the streets safe for everyone, especially when the city was bursting with people after night prayers. And clap for our chief guest, Marzia Shanu Padhan madam. She has to leave as early as possible. That's why we are running short of time. So I would like to call her on this stage for the felicitation with these lines. As someone has said, तरकश में जितना तीर है तू चला कर देख. ये मर्जिया मैडम के लिए 4 लाइन्स है. उनकी पर्सनालिटी को काफ़ी सूट करती. तरकश में जितने तीर है तू चला कर देख ले, एक बार नहीं 1000 बार आजमा कर देख ले. तरकश में जितने तीर है तू चला कर देख ले, एक बार नहीं 1000 बार आजमा कर देख ले. हर बाजी जीत जाऊंगी मैं, हर बाजी जीत जाऊंगी मैं, चाहे तू शतरंज के हर खाने में वज़ीर सजा कर देख ले. So with these inspirational lines, I would like to call Marzia Pathan ma'am on this stage, and I would like to request her, one of the volunteers, Ansari Samreen, to felicitate Marzia ma'am. Big round of applause, everyone clap for the madam. वो आवाज़ नहीं है तालियों में, ज़ोरदार तालियां होना चाहिए. Madam. Now clap for the madam, everyone. दो मिनट